We're still in step 4. Did you test your customized online agreement system? Did the recipient find it easy to sign and send it back to you? Did you go back into your account and look to see, confirm that your client indeed signed it, and when? Yeah, it was pretty easy. And that is the beauty of being a member of InternetChi. InternetChi helps keep your money in your pocket. So that's a free online agreement system, totally customizable, and it works really well. Now, to help prepare in taking a state or provincial examination, visit our Ultimate Home Inspector Exam Prep. Let's take a look at that. If you need to prepare for a state exam, maybe you don't need to prepare for a state exam, but if you wanted to, we have a link here that takes us to the Ultimate Home Inspection. It's a practice test, and there are thousands of questions. Even if you don't have to take a governmental examination, you may want to click that button and have fun going through the questions. So there are over 2,000 questions, and for example, it's pretty easy to do. Let's do a couple questions, okay? The purpose of gravel on a built-up tar and gravel roof is to protect the membrane from ultraviolet rays, to prevent delamination of the plies, provide ballast to help hold down the roof membrane, or all of these reasons. Let's try all of these reasons. And you can check your answer. Click. The answer is correct. A roof that has a problem with ponding generally still has water on it at least how many hours after it's rained? Is it 24? It's 24 or 48, I can't remember. Oh, not correct, it must be 48. Okay, 24 or 48. The purpose of a cant strip, I have no idea. Let's just guess. Can I just guess? I did, and I got it right. Not really guessing. 4 and 12 slope can be expressed as a ratio of what? 4 and 12 slope is 4 and 12. So click that, check my answer. That's correct. This is kind of fun to do. So if you need to prep for a state exam, or if you wanted to just assess yourself on the knowledge of over 2,000 questions, we have a free online prep guide or practice test. So take a look at it now. It's a lot of fun.